It is the doing. Listen what the Bible says. And the Bible says, he became. What made him to become? Ni nini kilimsababisha akuwe? Ni matendo ya Mungu. It is the doing of God. Nataka tuamini na Mungu. I want us to believe together with you for the doing of God in our life, for the doing of God in our health, for the doing of God in our family, for the doing of God in every area that we want. Sitaki kupeana mifano sahi. I don't want to give examples right now. I will come later with this topic, the God's doing. Matendo ya Mungu, the doings of God. May the Lord arise and do something in your life that you become the honorable.